Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic Japanese sports cars of all time, the Mazda RX-7. This isn't just any car, it's a legend. Known for its rotary engine, timeless design, and incredible performance, the RX-7 has earned its place in automotive history. So, buckle up as we explore what makes this car so special. Let's start with the heart of the RX-7, the rotary engine. Unlike traditional piston engines, the RX-7 uses a Wankel rotary engine. This compact, lightweight powerhouse is what sets the RX-7 apart. It's smooth, revs high, and delivers a unique driving experience. The FD3S model, which we're focusing on today, came with a 1.3-liter twin-rotor engine, producing around 255 horsepower. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about how it feels. The rotary engine's linear power delivery and high revving nature make it a joy to drive. The RX-7 isn't just about straight-line speed. Its lightweight chassis, near-perfect weight distribution, and responsive handling make it a corner-carving machine. The FD3S, in particular, is praised for its balance and agility. Whether you're on a track or a twisty backroad, the RX-7 feels like an extension of the driver. It's raw, it's engaging, and it's pure driving pleasure. Now, let's talk about the design. The RX-7 FD3S is a masterpiece. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape was way ahead of its time in the early 90s. The pop-up headlights, flowing curves, and aggressive stance give it a timeless look that still turns heads today. Mazda's designers nailed the balance between form and function, creating a car that's as beautiful as it is capable. Inside, the RX-7 is driver-focused. The cockpit is snug, with everything within easy reach. The seats are supportive, and the layout is simple yet sporty. It's not about luxury here, it's about the driving experience. And that's exactly what the RX-7 delivers. Driving the RX-7 is an experience like no other. The rotary engine's distinctive sound, the precise steering, and the way it hugs the road, it's addictive. It's a car that demands your attention and rewards you with every twist of the wheel. But it's not without its quirks. Rotary engines require meticulous maintenance, and fuel economy isn't exactly their strong suit. But for enthusiasts, that's part of the charm. The RX-7 is a labor of love. So, why is the Mazda RX-7 so iconic? It's the combination of groundbreaking engineering, stunning design, and an unparalleled driving experience. It's a car that represents the golden era of Japanese sports cars, a time when innovation and passion came together to create something truly special. The RX-7 isn't just a car, it's a legend. Thanks for joining me today as we celebrated the Mazda RX-7. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive adventures. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Japanese sports car? Until next time, keep driving and stay passionate. See you on the road.